Now here basic gates are shown. There are three types of the basic gates. The first basic gate is called as a AND gate. AND gate has two or more input signals. Its logical statement is that all input must be high to get high output, or output is low when one of the input is low. The AND operation is also called as a multiplication. In its logic equation for NAND gate is shown here. Y is equal to A dot B dot C dot up to N. AND operation is called as a multiplication because when A and B both inputs are high, then output is high. Here the symbol, two input AND gate symbol is shown here. There are two inputs A and B. At the output Y is equal to, we are getting A dot B. Here on right hand side truth table is shown. Two inputs A, B and output Y is equal to A dot B. In first condition, when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, we are getting 0 dot 0, that is equal to 0. In second condition, when A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, so we are getting output Y is equal to 0. In third condition, when A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, then also we are getting Y is equal to 0. But in last condition, when A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, at that time we are getting Y is equal to 1. From truth table, it is saying that in truth table for first three condition, that means when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, and A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, for the first three condition, the output of AND gate is low, because in that three conditions, one or more inputs of AND gate is 0 or it is a low. So we are getting 0 output for the first three condition. In last condition, the output is high because the both inputs A and B, they are high. So we are getting output high. So the AND gate is defined as a all input must be high to get the high output. Now the second type of the basic gates, that is called as a OR gate. OR gate has also two or more input signals. The logical statement of OR gate is that when one of the input must be high, one of the input must be high to get the high output, or output is low when its all inputs are low. The OR operation are called as a addition. It is seen in logic equation, Boolean equation for OR gate. Y is equal to A plus B plus C plus dot up to N. That means it is the addition process. Y is equal to A plus B. Here the symbol of OR gate is shown. Each gate having different symbol. In that symbol it is shown that it is a two input OR gate. Inputs are A and B and the output is shown by the capital letter Y. In right hand side truth table is shown. In truth table there are four possible conditions because there are two inputs A and B. In the first condition, when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, then we are getting Y is equal to 0. In second condition, when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, then output Y is equal to 1. In third condition, when A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, then output Y is equal to 1. In last condition, when A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, then output Y is equal to 1. Whenever we are substituting this value in our above logic equation, we are getting that the output of OR gate is a 0 1 1 1. First condition it is 0, and the last three condition it shows output Y is equal to 1 1 1. It is seen that in truth table for the first condition the output is low because both inputs are low. As per its logical statement, in last three conditions the output of OR gate is high. It is Y is equal to 1 due to one or more inputs are high. We are getting high output of OR gate only when its one or more input is high. Then we are getting the high output, we are getting the Y is equal to 1. So OR gate is basically used for the addition purpose. Its logic equation is Y is equal to A plus B plus C plus dot dot up to N. That is the second basic gate or second fundamental gates OR gate. Its logical statement is one of the input must be high to get the high output, or output is low when all inputs are low. Basically it is used for the addition process. Now the third type of the gate is shown here. That gate is called as a NOT gate. It is also called as an inverter circuit. NOT gate is different than the AND gate and OR gate. Why it is different? The NOT gate circuit that having only one input signal. NOT gate circuit having only one input signal. Its output is always opposite to its input signal. That is a logical statement of NOT gate. Output is always opposite to input signal. That is output, that is called as a output is a complement of input signal. We are mentioning here the NOT gate is called as an inverter. Its logic equation or its Boolean equation Y is equal to A bar, that is a A complement. In symbol it is shown that there is a single input A and the output is Y. At output we are getting Y is equal to A bar, that is we are getting the complement of the input. Here in truth table it is shown that when A is equal to 0, then we are getting Y is equal to 1, and when A is equal to 1, we are getting Y is equal to 0. It is seen that from the truth table the input is low, then output is high. When input is high, then output is low. Basically the NOT gate is used for the one's complement process. In that the 1 is replaced by 0 and 0 is replaced by 1. So these are the three basic gates: AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. They are also called as the fundamental gates.